Right guys, how's it going? Now CIVIVI do two big choppers, two big folding cleavers. One's a bull mastiff and the other's a mastodon, and they're both out of production now. You can still get them, and there'll be a link down below where you can pick them up. But I grabbed one of the mastodons here. I love the look of it, and I hate to miss out on one, so I got one while I could. So let's take a look at it. I got this thing just fits in the case. Usual stuff, polishing cloth and same old CIVIVI stickers. We need some new stickers, CIVIVI. Those ones are getting boring now. Alright, so here it is. Here's the beast. Yeah, look at that big blade there. That's awesome. Like I say, discontinued by CIVIVI, and yeah, get one now while you can. So the closed length is 5.23 inches, and the overall length, once it's opened up, is 9.06 inches. So it's a big beast. And the blade thickness 0.16 inches, which is basically 4mm. And I want to check that. I mean, I'm double checking their sizes, so if there's anything wrong I'll correct it. Alright, so yeah, 4mm. Good thick piece of steel. I love this thing. Look at that. I've got XL hands and I've got plenty of blade to play with. A nice cutout here. We can choke up on it too if we want to. Look at that. And I've got to say, it feels awesome. To me it really does feel awesome. Yeah, left or right hand. That clip, I love the CIVIVI clips. I think they're great. Deep pocket carry, super deep. We'll test it out in a minute. But yeah, I don't feel that clip at all, because, well, I just don't feel it. The bit that sticks out goes right in the centre of the palm there. Don't feel it at all. Left-handed is always even better, because your fingertips just wrap around there. But it's a nice big wide handle. It's 1/2 inch thick. Look at the grey stainless steel liners there. And you see the cutouts inside, the lightning holes. Big cutouts inside there. They've really gone to town to cut the weight down on this. G10 backspacer. It looks like all of the screws are T8s, T6 on the clip. The locking bar looks good size. Let's just check the size of that. Yeah, it's a 4mm locking bar. So that'll take a good bit of weight, which it has to, of course, with this blade. It's yeah, there's a lot of weight firing up to that locking bar. And it's on bronze washers, phosphorus bronze washers, and it feels awesome. Opens up super smooth, nice. Can probably even open it this way. Yeah, if I didn't hit the wood. So yeah, the bull mastiff runs on ball bearings, and this mastodon runs on the washers. And I opted for the washers version because washers will always take a lot harder work than the ball bearings will. It's a much stronger construction. And the mastiff has a deep groove along the top of the blade, which might be good for flipping open. Yeah, I'm sure it would be good for flipping open. I wonder if this hole would flip. I wonder if I could flip it with using that hole there. No, I can open it that way though. Now the hole is goes back to traditional butcher's cleavers, so they could hang it up on a wall in the butchers, or they wear a belt with hooks and they could hang it on their belt while they switch over to a boning knife or something like that. So that's what the hole's for, and I like to see it, and I like that it's kind of an oval hole. It's not a true circle, if you like. It's pretty cool. Stone washed, flat ground blade, and the steel is 9CR 18 MOV, which has a Rockwell hardness of between 58 and 60. It's a good solid cleaver. It should be able to chop through like chicken legs and stuff like that real easy. Slicing onions, things like that. I mean, even with the flipper tab there, that the belly of the knife is down flat. I'll just show you that. So there, even with the flipper tab, where the knife is in full contact with the board there, except for a little at the back. But yeah, go off the board and you've got all total contact. But there's really good contact there. You got most of the blade on the board. And it's wide enough handle it'll stand up on its own. Alright, let's check the sharpness of this thing. Oh yeah. Super slicey. No problem. Yeah, awesome. This thing is shaving sharp for sure. Look at that. Gross, eh? There you go, guys. What a great blade. Now the blade length is 3.83 inches, which is 98 millimeters. Big knife. Doesn't feel too heavy to me, to be honest. What is the weight? 5.8 ounces. I mean, we're talking a massive blade here. What a cool blade. I like it a lot. It's a bit crazy. I'm glad I got it before they go out of production. Because let's see if we can rock the blade out. Nope, I'm trying real hard, it won't come out. Nope. Come out that way, no problem. Can we flick it? I doubt it. Maybe someone with more skill probably can. No, I can't get any purchase on the blade there. Oh, a little bit. I can't do it anyway. Maybe you can. Look at that choil there. Awesome. Alright, so just a quick look at it. Let me know what you think, guys. I'm looking forward to using it in the kitchen, in the backyard, chopping up some food and having a barbecue. Catch you later, guys. This is what I'm carrying right now. It's the Yo Jumbo Spyderco. This is a big beast, breaking it in, also on phosphorus bronze washers. It's slowly coming, couldn't do that the other day, almost dropping shot. Alright, let's try out the CIVIVI Mastodon. Sounds like a dinosaur or something, I guess maybe that's what they named it after. Yeah, look at that, super deep carry, goes right off into the corner. Got room for the Yo Jimbo in there too, no problem. And my little zipper on my fifth pocket. Alright, pretty cool knife, I like it, glad I got it. Get one while you can if this sort of thing interests you. Catch you later, guys. Chop, 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 chop.